A minimum payment is always included on your monthly credit card statement. Minimum payments are typically fixed amounts. Keeping your account in good standing always requires you to pay the minimum by the deadline. However, paying just the minimum every month isn't a great financial strategy. Your credit scores will improve, and your debt will be reduced faster if you pay more than the minimum payment. Here are some tips. 1. Save money on interest. When you pay more than the minimum payment, you shrink the size of your balance and reduce the amount of interest you are charged. 2. Positively impact your credit score. By paying more than your minimum payment, you can reduce your credit utilization, or how much of your available credit you are currently using. 3. Reducing your debt. When you can't pay your balance in full, paying above the minimum and watching your credit card spending can help you pay off your debt much faster. Is your personal information on the dark web? Make sure your identity isn't at risk.